Hey Google, turn flashlight on.
Turning flashlight on.
Hey Google, turn flashlight off.
Turning flashlight off.
Hey Google, what is your name?
My name's the Google Assistant.
Hey Google, talk to me in Urdu.
ठीक है.
Hey Google, क्या आपको मालूम है कि मेरा नाम क्या है?
मुझे याद है आपने मुझे बताया कि आपका नाम मेजर हसन है.
Hey Google, आपकी उम्र क्या है?
ये उस बात पर मुनहसिर है कि आप इसे कैसे देखते हैं. गूगल की बुनियाद 1998 में पड़ी थी लेकिन मुझे 2016 में शुरू किया गया था.
Hey Google, tell me today's date.
It is Friday the 4th of June 2021.
Hey Google, tell me today's weather.
It'll be mostly sunny, with a high of 36 and a low of 28.
Hey
Currently it's 34 and partly cloudy.
Hey Google, what is the price of dollar in Pakistani rupee?
$1 equals 156 Pakistani rupees and 7 paise.
Okay Google, what is my name?
Your name is Major Hassan.
Hey Google, talk to me in English.
ठीक है.
Hey Google, send WhatsApp SMS to Mujahid Iqbal.
Okay, what's the message?
Hey mister, where are you and what are you doing?
So, that's a message to Mujahid Iqbal saying, Mister, where are you? And what are you doing? Ready to send it.
Send it.
Sending your message to Mujahid Iqbal.
Hey Google, open WhatsApp.
Opening WhatsApp.
Hey Google, turn on GPS.
Opening location.
Hey Google, open Google Maps.
Opening maps.
Hey Google, what is my current age?
Major Hassan Farouk is 21 years old.
Hey Google, what is the name of my best friend?
I don't know, but I'll remember if you tell me. What's your best friend's name?
Mujahid Iqbal Kharal.
Do you mean the contact named Mujahid Iqbal? Sure, I'll remember that Mujahid Iqbal is your best friend.
Hey Google, what is the name of my best friend?
Your best friend is Mujahid Iqbal.
Hey Google, tell me my birthday.
Major Hassan Farouk was born on the 1st of January 2000.
Hey Google, open YouTube and play Tariq Jamil.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Hey Google, take my selfie.
Alright, get ready.
Hey Google, go to home screen.
Okay.
Hey Google, open Play Store and update WhatsApp. Hey Google, where is Pisa Tower?
The address for Leaning Tower of Pisa is Piazza del Duomo, 56,126 Pisa Pi, Italy.
Hey Google, 10 multiplied by 25.
10 by 25 is 250.
Hey Google, 100 Pakistani rupees into dollar.
100
100 Pakistani rupees equals 64 cents.